Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check, which is like a test page, on an Epson WorkForce WF-2840. This is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the printer. And there's no need to involve an attached PC or laptop. So, using the right arrow here, we're going to take ourselves along, past settings, to maintenance. Press OK to go into maintenance. A nozzle check is the very first option, so we press OK again. Obviously you're going to need paper in there to print this page, so hopefully you've already got that in there. If not, pop a sheet in, and then press the start button here. And after a few seconds, you'll hopefully have a page that looks better than this one. Now what you should be looking at is something closer to the one shown on screen, with all the different colours your printer uses broken down, showing both the presence of that colour and the printer's ability to print in fine detail. If you notice there are any breaks or missing colours, the printer will be asking this back on the screen. And if we press yes on the missing segments, you get the option to clean the print head, which is basically a cleaning cycle for the printer, and it pushes fresh ink through the printer's print head to dislodge anything that's dried or congealed along it, and hopefully improve the quality of your prints. And you can go in circles from here doing cleans and test pages till you hopefully see an improvement in your general print quality. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now, and hopefully improve the results my printer is capable of producing. Now hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.